thank the CEO for his introduction. I don't want to make a very long speech, but essentially to say that we are extremely supportive of such initiatives that has been undertaken by Film Fiji. As you know, and has been highlighted, the Fijian government actually is investing quite a lot of money, both through sponsorships with the Ministry of Industry and Trade, with the Buy Fijian Product campaign that we have, and of course our company that we all own, which is the national airline Fiji Airways. And I'd like to thank both the organizations for the sponsorship of this. I want to say just a very quick statement in respect of arts, in respect of paintings, in respect of filmmaking. As you know, tonight you have the awards for the filmmaking, you also have the awards for the arts exhibition we saw outside, and tomorrow we have the dance awards. All the different schools are participating in that. Dance, art, literature, paintings gives you an avenue to express yourself, to be able to talk about issues that you feel very close about. So whether it's teenage pregnancy, whether it's drugs, whether it's about employment, unemployment, whether it's about how you see the future of your country, of yourself, what are the issues that you think that we should be discussing? What are the things that affect you emotionally, personally, as a society, as a community, as a school, as a province, as a country, as a world? So these are various forms of expressing yourself. And we want to nurture that. We want you to actually have your creative input into that. So it's great to see so many entries. So many schools are now participating in the film making. So many individuals have actually participated in the art exhibition we saw outside. And we want you to know that we're here to support you in respect of that. We obviously are trying to work through the Ministry of Education to develop better curriculum in that respect, have more arts teachers that can help and nurture that talent of yours. Please don't lose that edge. Don't think that you can only do this or you should only do this when you're in school. Please also see that as a career path for yourself. As the acting CEO has highlighted, that we today have a lot of productions in Fiji, international films, international productions, the reality shows are being made in Fiji. A lot of them are now beginning to hire Fijians in the production work. Behind the scenes, camera people, other sorts of talent is required. So you can actually build career paths within that. We're also working with Fiji National University to see how they can provide training courses in that. So there's a bright future ahead of that. Please take advantage of that. And it also means that Fiji can become the hub in the Pacific for nurturing the talents that exist in Fiji, but also within the Pacific. I'd like to wish all of you all the best in the awards. Of course, like the acting CEO said, not everybody can come first, second, or third, but all of you are winners by way of participating. I'd like to thank all the school teachers, the heads of the schools, for encouraging the students, the individual teachers, and of course the parents and friends who have supported all of you. I wish you all the best, and may you all have a good and wonderful evening. Vinaka, thank you.